In today's COBB highlight, we introduce the COBB Tuning short and tall weighted shift knobs for the Focus and Fiesta ST. Tons of fun in a small package is why people love hot hatches, and the joy of a manual transmission in the torque-filled Focus and Fiesta ST are a huge factor in that experience. Yet the fun of driving them can get even better with the weighted COBB knob in a handful of ways. Starting with the noticeable increase in heft. Thanks to the custom machined stainless steel core, the short weighted COBB knob tips the scales at 242 grams, and the tall weighted COBB knob adds even more mass at 328 grams. With either option, you'll feel an instant improvement in those bolt action style shifts when driving at the limit, but they also make casual shifts in traffic even more effortless. Yet, as fun as shifting your own gears can be, sometimes it can feel like playing a game of hot potato. Luckily, the steel core of the COBB knob lives inside of a perfectly machined house of Delrin. Delrin is smooth to the touch, but most importantly, has mild reactions to extreme temperatures. So whether it's a hot summer day or a freezing winter morning, you don't have to torture yourself every time you drive your car. The other more obvious difference is the shape of the weighted COBB knobs. If you love the spherical design of the factory shift knob, then the short weighted COBB knob offers the same comfortable feel with all the functional upgrades that I just mentioned. But if extra size is what you crave, the tall weighted COBB knob adds height with an extended taper design that's ideal for larger hands, or simply for a different feel compared to stock. Lastly, what fun are modifications if they don't add style? The COBB knob comes in the choice of white or black Delrin, and a pair of red and black anodized aluminum trim rings with the COBB logo etched on the side are included with either knob choice. The trim rings use a provided O-ring to sit securely on the bottom while allowing you to easily swap them in a matter of seconds to suit your mood. Rowing your own gears is one of the most fun parts of owning a Focus or Fiesta ST, so upgrading the shift knob is one of the easiest, cheapest, and most enjoyable mods that you can make at any point in the car's life.